Well, I stuck to my guns all week long. We've been telling you the light at the end of the tunnel would come toward week's end, and it has arrived. In fact, it arrived yesterday afternoon. I just thought it turned out to be an awesome afternoon yesterday with that blue sky. What a change of pace from what we had around here earlier in the week, and we're going to be looking at more of it today. From start to finish, sunshine in the forecast. The weather for today between 8 and 9 o'clock, 53 degrees at noontime, lunchtime, 65, 68 for the trip home later this afternoon. Just a gorgeous day heading our way for this Friday, and that's what's showing up on the Super Microcast. Big weather factor today, especially around the Buffalo Metro, the surrounding suburbs, and up into the falls. A fairly fresh breeze blowing off the eastern end of the lake, and that's going to keep things cooler downtown. But up to the north and northeast of the city, you may top 70 degrees this afternoon. Not too tough to take for early October. As we work our way into nightfall, mostly clear skies initially tonight. A little bit of cloudiness heads our way later tonight. We still have that very weak weather front expected across the area late tonight, a moisture-starved front, so we're not anticipating any rain with this. But what this front will do is cool us down a little bit, just a smidge for tomorrow. Nothing drastic. We're back down to the low 60s across the area. And then on Sunday, we bounce back. Temperatures back into the upper 60s, closer to 70 degrees. Mostly sunny skies again to wrap up the weekend. And if you happen to be lucky enough to be off for Columbus Day, I think most of that day should be rain-free as well. We'll see partly sunny skies in the morning hours, increasing clouds during the afternoon, maybe some rain showers sneaking into the southwest corner of our viewing area late in the day. Well, temps today well into the 60s across the area here. We have some mid to upper 60s forecast in areas north of the city, 65 at least at Batavia, and I'd say at least low to mid 60s along the Pennsylvania line this afternoon. Forecast high for Jamestown, 65, and this 65 maybe a little underdone actually at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca. After sunup this morning, sunshine. Highways north to south. Also QEW, Toronto bound. Mainline into Rochester back to the west to Erie. And the I-86 all looking good this morning. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog going on sections of the I-86 and some of the valley areas this morning. Right now, 50 degrees at Buffalo. We have 47 degrees at Niagara Falls. 43 down here at Jamestown. 46 at Wellsville. The chilly spot, Bradford, PA at 34 degrees. And checking out the fall foliage report for you this weekend. Past peak conditions now on the very highest hilltops or mountaintops of the Adirondacks. And that goes for the Catskills as well. Near peak conditions around the Saratoga District, peak in the St. Lawrence River Valley. Much of the Central Finger Lakes, the Niagara Frontier, at midpoint conditions now, and peak down towards sections of the southern tier, particularly around Allegheny State Park, and I am quite sure similar conditions at Letchworth as well. Bright sunshine on tap for this Friday. Windy and mild, the high 65 to 71 degrees for the overnight, becoming partly cloudy overnight. Some river valley fog possible, 45 in the valleys to about 50 degrees in the city. And then tomorrow, mostly sunshiny skies, a cooler day, high 60 to 65 degrees as we get into Sunday here, mostly sunny, milder again, temperatures bouncing back into the upper 60s to around 70. The extended forecast again for the holiday, partly sunny in the morning, increasing afternoon clouds, maybe some late day rain showers to the southwest and a high of 65.